What up, YouTube? Today we is pretty much going to be going over on how to start your car YouTube channel. And right now, and yes, I'm taking off the orange. We don't want the orange no more, and I have pollen on the car, so I definitely got to get all this stuff taken off again. So man, look at this pollen. So look, check me out. So if you want to start your YouTube channel, the only thing that you pretty much gonna need to actually record on is an actual, just get your phone and just record off your phone. Get a phone, record off your phone. And yes, I got my check engine light off. Man, I'm on, you know what, let me park this real quick. I'm in the middle of the road. Like, we in the middle of the road. I don't know how I'm finna get out this tight spot, but we finna try. So y'all wish me luck. So right now we just made it at the spot, and let me actually get my little gadget. You always want to make sure to actually have one of these when you recording. Make sure to get one of these. These on Amazon, not actually Amazon, but on TikTok shop. I think it was like only like $14. 14. And y'all don't talk about my nails. I had to use these to rip the freaking wrap off the car. So we finna go ahead and put y'all on this, but we can go ahead and record. Show my little stand thing. And you see the beautiful water. I feel like it just make it way much more easier to record the actual video. Another thing, make sure don't be going to like different people to work on your car, cause I feel like they be, I low-key be feeling like they be kind of like messing up your car low-key. That's what I be thinking. So I thought they low-key just be like, oh yeah, his car is so freaking fire, they'll go mess it up or some junk. So watch out, make sure to find some good people that work on your car and junk, so when you actually doing it, cause these folks, they would just, man, they'll do you so bad. Tell me why I had the check engine light on the car, and I had this person, he was supposed to fix on my car. So tell me why, I guess they were talking about, so you know when you have no caps on the car, you can actually add these, I think they call them like midday, I think they like fake cats or some junk. And you put them like on the exhaust and you kind of drill them in, and you get like another, I think it's a downstream O2 sensor. I spent money buying that. I thought it was gonna work. So he put it on the car, boom, the check engine light did not pop up at nothing at all. He was saying this should work. Tell me why the check engine light popped up the day when I was finna go to a mission. The day when I was finna go to the mission, man. When that popped up, I was like, bruh. So I hit him up. This is why I'm telling y'all, make sure to find good people to do work on your car, because these folks, they don't care. If something happened to your car, bruh, they would not care at all. So make sure to watch out who you let work on your car. On the check engine light part though, he was basically saying like, okay, I'm finna go ahead and check around this and that. I'm like, okay, cool. You gonna, you know, for me, I wasn't even studying it, cause you know, and it's crazy, cause my birthday was actually in a couple weeks, and I was finna get the emission done to the car. I was finna get the emission done to the car, but that did not work at all. So the guy, he was talking about he gonna find a way to figure this out. Tell me why bruh disappeared out of nowhere. I hit him up 2 times. I hit bruh up freaking 2 times, y'all. 2 times. I hit bruh 2 times. Bruh did not want to, I don't even know if I'm holding it bit right, but I hit him up 2 times. He did not text me back, but he posted on IG. So I'm like, okay, boom, I'm just gonna go to somebody else, tune it off. Boom, I got it tuned off. I got the best tuner. Boom. Cause most of these folks, they don't care. They don't care about you. So gotta understand that, cause these folks, I don't know what's wrong with these. it's Atlanta people, man. Some of these folks, they'll half-ass your car, like halfway, but your car, like halfway. They'll either just put the parts on the car and just make it look like it's just done. Boom. I sent brother money. Like, I feel like he shouldn't just gave me a refund, to be honest, because I spent. Tell me why it was $200. You shouldn't have sent me the $200 back because you didn't fix nothing. Like, so make sure to watch out for anybody that you go to. Make sure to see if they actually good people. Another thing, you don't need a camera. You don't need no GoPro. None of that stuff y'all don't need, bro. You don't need no GoPro. You don't need none of that stuff. So when you pretty much recording, just use your phone and get like one little sticks or something to record your little, record and jump in. Could check me out. Cause y'all really want to do it, bro. I'm not going to close the door all the way because I don't even have the key. Got the keys in the car. So another thing, bro, y'all look at the Z, man. Man, this junk looks so freaking dirty. But another thing, let's see, cause we trying to go over everything for y'all can pretty much watch out for who the right people to go to. Cause if you go to the wrong person, they gonna mess your car up. Let's see, and another thing, don't burn yourself out doing the same content. If you see that it's not working, don't keep doing the same thing. Like, it's a lot of stuff where people keep doing the same thing. If you're not getting no views off of it, just kind of like switch up. You got to be unique. You don't got to be like everybody else. First thing that everybody will go to is like modifying their car, like all the way. Like, if you're not gonna race for no money, man, I don't know why y'all trying to make y'all car fast. Don't make your car fast if you ain't gonna race for no money. That just what's the point? Another thing, let's see. But yeah, don't burn yourself out, keep posting the same stuff. Think outside the box, make your videos better than everybody. Don't kind of cuff off of everybody. Try to like sauce it up a little bit. Be unique. Do crazy stuff like I did. I was the first person to add that on the Camaro. So then everybody started, cause I was being unique. When you start being different, everybody try to be like you. So be different, man. Look at the tint. But y'all let me know. Do the tint look good on the blue than the orange? I feel like it look better on the blue a little bit. I feel like, but man, I gotta take the bumper off. I don't know how to take off the bumper. Y'all comment down below and let me know how to take off this bumper, man. I don't know how to take off the bumper. And man, I did like a halfway. And I still got to take off all of this. Oh yeah, when I was telling, I got the little things that's like right here. I think they like before the Cadillac convert. I don't know, before the cats. And they like right here underneath the car. And they don't work. I thought it was going to work. And I guess they only work on older model cars or something. But it don't work on the Camaros, y'all. So if anybody trying to get rid of their check engine light and they get them things, they tell you to get them things like underneath that car right there, don't do it. Just get it tuned. You save money. I spent way too much money buying unnecessary stuff. So boom, get that. Cause man, this bad boy is dirty. And I still have my PPF on the car, so we good. And I gotta figure out how to get this off the car, cause I got tape on the carbon fiber. I think I can get that off the car. Let's see what else. That might. And make sure to post every video, like every type of mod that you do with your car. Make sure to post. Like post everything. Cause if you're not gonna post everything, man, I don't know, man. Just make sure to post, man. Cause look how beautiful the car is, man. This shit. It go for everybody. Females, guys, like, if you pretty much want to start your car YouTube channel, just make sure to keep posting. Like, do everything. Be unique. Start actually going crazy with the content. Everything don't gotta be dealing with cutting up and junk. I mean, you can cut up, but make sure to watch out what y'all do, cause they be watching. And man, but I think that's about it, man. And make sure, look at that blue one. That junk actually fly. But make sure to find good people, because these folks will actually use your car just for content. These folks will use you. So remember this. When you get a crazy rap or something, you might get attention, but you get attention from the wrong crowd. Remember this. Always think, why are these people hitting me up now? Why they want to be around me? Since I got this new rap, this new cool mod, because they gonna use you. Remember that. Just remember that. Always put that in your mind. You probably might be thinking like, oh, I'm hanging with these folks. Oh, they famous, this and that. That don't mean that. They just gonna use you. They gonna use you. Put your car in the bed, use you, and keep that bed posted. Cause you might be thinking that might be good content, but it really don't. Cause when they post on their video, man, sometimes these folks, they don't never follow you. So remember that. But man, I think that's about it. I pretty much went over everything. Don't burn yourself out. You don't need a GoPro. You don't need a camera to record your videos. Just use a phone. GoPros, they trash that quality. You can just get a phone and just mount it on your head. The camera, you can use the camera, but who gonna hold a camera just to do this? Who gonna hold the camera up and do that? So that's another thing. What else? I really want to make this video good. And make sure to find a good tuner that can actually tune your car for a good deal. Because some of these folks that y'all go to, it just be like, they be taxing, right? Why? Like, remember that. Make sure to find a good tuner, man. If they mess with you, they can bring down the price, but nobody not gonna be paying out there freaking, but to trying to pay extra money and junk. So that's how I had to learn. And make sure to do your research on certain mods, because every mod you don't really gotta get, because like right now, like I feel like I done got extra mods, but I really did not even have to buy. Like I messed with that mod, but this first mod, y'all, I think I got done, was reflective calibers. Do not get reflective calibers. Just get basic calibers, because y'all see how my calibers look. Don't get reflective. And when y'all get a Camaro, you don't have to spend OD money on these, bro. I got like the colorful lights. I don't even use them like that, so you don't really gotta get them. And you don't gotta go to like expensive places to get these done. I think I spent like about $2,000 for these, and they not even that good, man. I rather just have somebody just to put the light in. And another thing, don't get no underglow. If you got like a low car, do not get no underglow. Cause my underglow, it keep on breaking, and yeah, don't get no underglow, man. But I'm just out here recording, man. But yeah, bye, y'all like the Z, man. And I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it, man. The big ball Z, man. And we pretty much gonna stay with the blue for now. I got some mods that I'm finna add on. Not even like fast mods, but some cosmetic mods. It got some fire junk. So y'all stay tuned for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and share. Let's get it.